I didn't take to start recording until just now. This is the pathway down to our beach here at Vanderbilt Beach. I haven't, of course, I didn't wear shoes. I never do, but would have been smart this time. As you can see, though, it's recovered. He's about to come down on the. Morning.
Morning.
How we doing, bud?
All right, how you doing?
You guys do okay?
Yeah. How
Good.
About you?
Yeah, we're good. Thanks for asking. I should have worn shoes now. I wasn't expecting to come this far, but I said out of curiosity. You can see the sand is completely covered the boardwalks outside. The water got at least this high. And this here looked just like this all the way out to here. So the water got a bit anyway. Same story over here. So yes, the water came up pretty high, but it didn't make it up quite as high as they thought it would. See how high the water still is. It's pretty choppy. Not sure what I just stepped in, but that's on the beach. Probably don't want to know. Well, everything's good. I think everybody made it okay. Not sure what plane this is, but good to see that there's planes in the air. Yeah, it's pretty choppy out here. Thank God it wasn't a storm surge like they were expecting. Walk back up. There's debris everywhere. I parked our vehicles about a mile here from the house. I'm going to run down and grab one of the vehicles real quick. I think I'm going to go put some shoes on first. But yeah, I mean, it's just, yeah, there's a lot of damage. There's more than this. I'll show some more once we get out of here. And as I'm walking out of the car, I'll film down there too if there's ouch, anything to film. I've got pretty tough feet, but ouch. Not for walking on sticks. Plus, too, the car's got our phone inverter in there, ouch, that I can plug up, ouch, and charge our phones back up because that's going to be an issue today. I'm down to 35%. So you can see how bad it's just. All through here, the trees are broke off. I mean, it's just unreal. Let's see if I can get around this way. And you gotta watch for snakes too, because there's always snakes down here crossing the walkway. I don't want to. Now that I'm in their territory, I don't want to step on one. Ouch! Some more shoes. All right. But yeah, I wasn't able to film and put any video out last night because there was no service. Even today I can barely get text out. So anybody that's sending me text, I can see them. I'm sending text back out, but they're not all going through for some reason. I don't know why. It's selective. We'll go around this way. There's obviously gonna be a lot of cleanup in Naples, but Floridians are pretty tough people, so I think it'll be okay. I just hope that we survive this with no fatalities here in Naples or anywhere in Florida for that matter. But here's Delnor Wiggins Park. You can see this. We've got some down limbs. Even the sign for Delnor Wiggins is taking a hit, and I can't imagine what it looks like down into the park. I'm not going to walk that far yet, but maybe after a while once I'm up and awake. Sure would like some coffee, but we don't have any, we have no electric, so. Morning, ladies. How are you guys? I know, no sirs, I know it. Sound like an old smoker this morning. A lot of people coming to see how bad the damage is. This is a shot down Gulf Shore. Saw a lot of those big pieces of metal flying around. I guess they're coming off the tops of the buildings, I'm not sure, but definitely flying through the air. Not too bad down through there. That's the alley behind our building. Those trees over there and that fence really took a hit. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we got a little bit of damage over there. And then you can see that's the entry to our building. That's the little compound here. A lot of debris there. Not sure what this is, but I saw it fly through the air and hit. It's a it's a cage with it's a squirrel cage for something. Piece of metal there. That big piece of metal flew down early. There's the back of the building. Oh boy. My neighbor Jackie, looks like her door took a that's the best I can do. Maybe I can bend it back. That's a little better. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off for now. Go up and put some shoes on, and maybe get a bite to eat, and then I'll walk down and get one of my cars and film while I'm doing that. All right, see you soon.